A customer ordered a diary and Rahel combo to gift in a wedding, and let's see how it was made. So first of all, I took some white pigmented resin for the base. This is the pigment I mixed into it, and I'll pour a very thin first layer. This diary will be made in 3 layers. We need to make the diary very thin so that all the papers can fit into it. So I'm just spreading it by moving the mold. After this first layer is cured for 24 hours, I did the second layer of resin. In that second layer, as you can see, I poured silver flakes on the top and bottom and rest all clear resin. Then I stuck this black Ayatul Kursi sticker. Now I am doing the third coat on the third day. This is the top coat. After that comes the turn for the second diary and the 2 matching pens. So I have taken some silver foil in a glass, mixed a little bit resin into it and mashed it really well with the ice cream stick. Then I add more resin and make a nice mixture of it. Another glass I have taken clear resin and I am mixing white pigment into it. And I just pour the base layer for the second diary. I am doing this because I don't want this layer to be thick, because if the layer will be thick, then the diary will be thick and the papers will not fit inside. So this is a very important factor while making a diary. Each side of the diary required about 150 to 200 grams of resin. Now for the pen, I've put silver foil in the starting and the end, and in the middle I'll be pouring white pigmented resin. So just do it in layers. Also I put in the refill before adding the resin, so the refill was cut into the size of the mold. Now we are making the second pen and repeating the same process. Always remember to wear your respirator and nitrile gloves while working with resin. So just mix the white pigment for the center. And now just pour as you poured in the first pen, silver foil in the starting and end, and white resin in the center. Pour it in layers till the mold is full. I've used 2x1 resin for this project. Now let's do the top coat on the second diary. So just put a scarce layer and spread it with an ice cream stick or by moving the mold. So don't worry about those little drips because we will be pouring clear resin anyways into the second layer. So now for the back of the diary, I've poured this silver foil resin mixture and just spreading it. I am doing only 2 layers for the back and 3 layers I've done for the front because I want the back to be thin. So this is the complete result. This is the pen from all 4 sides, and I attached these papers and book rings. I also attached the pen to the diary with a chain. Also added a little bit of glitter in the second layer, as you can see in the video. So this is the final look. I hope you like it. Please do subscribe to my channel. It would mean a hell lot because I'm a new creator and I really need support from you guys. Thank you for watching the video and I'll see you in the next one.